Hello there, welcome to this YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to download and install the IPTV SmartHouse Pro to your Android TV without using downloader. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So it's very simple. Go over to the option APK Time. Now APK Time is the best option to install applications on your Android TV without using downloader. And of course you might be wondering, how do you install APK Time without using downloader? In the description of this video, there is a guide I've added that's going to help you to install the APK Time without using downloader. So go ahead and watch the video, install APK Time, and then launch it on your Android TV. Once you launch it, this is how it looks like. Come over to the option that says Players and Browsers, and you browse to where you see the IPTV Smart Task. Here's it over here. So here, the application is here, IPTV Smart Task. There are two options. Please install the 32-bit. Just click on download and the application is going to download. And once it's done downloading, you can then go ahead and install to your Android TV. So click on install and that's it. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe for more important videos like this.